Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to send Bitcoin from Binance to Kraken. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing and full content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all I'm just gonna go to this reputable website known as Crypto Vantage. So if I just scroll down, there is a step-by-step guide. So first step is to transfer Bitcoin or other digital assets from Binance to Kraken. Is to log into your Kraken account by clicking sign in the upper right corner of the home page. So just click sign in like this, and then you'll see Kraken's interface for sending Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency to or from Kraken. You can toggle between deposit button and withdraw button to switch between sending and receiving assets with your Kraken account. So here you have to send your Kraken, send Bitcoin to your Kraken wallet like this, and then you just put in your address and the amount you want to send, and that's about it. Then you have to go to Binance, go to Fiat and Spot, withdraw crypto, enter the address you got from your Kraken account, and paste it there. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.